How to use Canva AI to make scripts. You can use Canva AI to create scripts primarily through the Magic Write feature or by integrating third-party apps like HeyGen for video scripts. Now to use Magic Write feature, all you want to do is launch open Canva. Now create or open a design where you want to add your script. Access the AI assistant by selecting the Canva Assistant button at the top right corner of the editor. Now you want to enter your prompt in the box. Describe the script you want to generate. For example, you can write a YouTube video script about the benefits of a healthy diet. Once you have entered your prompt, generate the script. Hit enter. The AI will generate text based on your prompt. Then you want to refine and edit. You can ask the AI to make adjustments. For example, you can say make it longer or change the tone to be more formal or make manual edits yourself. Once you're satisfied, insert the text into your design or copy it to use it elsewhere. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.